Good morning, class.
Morning, ma.
Please pick up all the pieces of paper, arrange your table and chairs.
Thank done, ma'am.
Secretary, please check the attendance and send it to me later.
Okay, ma'am.
So before I will proceed to the proper discussion, I want you to know the objective for today's discussion. First, you need to define what is PPE. Second, identify types of PPE. Know different types of PPE and their proper uses and care. So before I will introduce to you the different types of PPE and their functions, I want you to identify these pictures. What can you observe in these pictures? What can you see in these pictures?
Boots, ma'am.
Very good. In these pictures, gloves. Very good.
Headphones.
Very good.
Jacket.
Very good.
We don't know, ma'am.
Safety glasses. This one.
Cap, ma'am.
Okay. All of those are correct. So now, let's proceed to our proper discussion. Can you please read this one?
Safety boot. Protect your foot from sharp and falling objects.
Very good. So, we need to protect our feet to the sharp edges. Like for example, the nail or pako, no? Pag nagtatrabaho tayo sa isang construction sites, no? Dapat may safety boots tayo para protektado yung ating paa. So, sa mga falling objects, maaaring tamaan ang iyong paa or maaaring makatapak ka ng matulis na bagay like na iyong pako. Number 2, please read.
Safety glasses. Protect eyes from flying particles.
Okay, to protect eye from the flying particles. So, for example, nakakita na ba kayo ng nag-wheeling?
Opo.
So, di ba may mga lumilipad na mga particles doon, no? To protect your eyes, you need to use sunglasses or this, what we call safety glasses. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Questions?
No, ma'am.
Very good. So, number 3, please read.
Hard hat. Protect head from falling objects.
Very. Hard hat, it will protect our head from falling objects, Napaka-importante ito kasi sa isang trabahador, sa isang construction site, yung ulo talaga yung pinaka-importante. Dapat we need it to protect, Para pag may matamaan man or nahulog na bagay sa ating ulo, mild lang yung injury na makakos, hindi yung talaga o yung major injury. No? Gets? Gets?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next.
Ear muff. Protect ears from excessive noise.
Yes, very good. So, ear muff, it protects our ears from those noises, Like for example, yung sa mga tile, nakita niyo yung nag-cut ng tile,
Opo,
diba?
ma'am.
Masakit sa tenga. It may cause tawag nun, yung masakit sa tenga talaga, diba? So, to protect your ears, you need to use ear muff. Klaro?
Yes,
Question.
Lama.
Very good. Next one, please read.
Gloves are worn to protect hands from chemical.
So, we need to wear gloves to protect our hands from those chemical. For example, na lang dun sa mga paint, para sa mga painting, maghawag tayo ng mga paint or sa mga semento. Pag mag-mix tayo ng semento, dapat may gloves tayo para kung may allergy man tayo, hindi ito agad-agad mag-react sa ating katawan, yung mga chemical na nahawakan natin. Klaro?
Yes, ma'am.
And also gloves to protect your hands from those sharp edges, Yung mga nahawakan na mapulis, tulad na lang ng mga lagari, Next, the last one we have.
Safety vest.
What is safety vest?
Makes worker more visible to passing cars and pedestrians.
So this vest is very important for those workers who work in the road. Pag walang safety vest or yung visible na vest, no, maaring mababangga sila ng kotse kasi hindi sila visible. Tulad na lang sa mga workers na nagtatrabaho ng gabi, di ba? Hindi natin sila makakita kung wala silang safety vest or yung visible vest. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I want you to group into five members. So all you need to do is demonstrate the proper uses of the personal protective equipment. You have 3 minutes to prepare. Each group you have 3 minutes to perform. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you may start now. Again, class, why do we need to use safety boots?
To protect our food.
Very good. Why do we need to use safety glasses?
To protect our eyes.
Very good. Why do we need to use a hard hat?
To protect our head.
Nice. Why do we need to use air mask?
To protect our ears.
Why do we need to use gloves?
To protect our hands.
Very good. Why do we need to use a vest?
To make workers more visible to passing cars.
Very good. I prepared here a quiz, 20 items. You have 30 minutes to answer it. If I said pass it in front. Late papers will not accept. Okay. Get one and pass the rest. Before I will dismiss the class, I have an assignment. So if you have any of this in the house, please bring tomorrow for our activity. Oh, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No more questions,
No more.
clarifications?
No more, ma'am.
Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.